So this is the equivalent circuit of MOSFET. This is the gate emitter voltage given, and this is the collector to emitter voltage. And as VGE increases, IC increases, that is with the gate voltage increment, the collector current, that is the current coming from collector to emitter, will increase. Okay, and we can get the output characteristics and transfer characteristics of IGBT. This is the transfer characteristics of IGBT. Okay, so this is gate emitter voltage, and this is collector current. This is the gate emitter voltage versus collector current. This is the transfer characteristics of IGBT. With the gate voltage increment, the collector current will increase, but VGE has some threshold voltage which is known as VGT. After that voltage, it will continuously increase with the gate voltage. So collector current, which was coming from collector to emitter, that will increase with the amount of gate voltage increment. Okay. Now the threshold voltage after which the IC will increase, that is actually gate emitter threshold voltage. Because why this threshold voltage come? Because initially it was not there, the insertion of charge was not there. For inserting charge also you need some amount of voltage, certain amount of voltage with which the capacitor can be charged and the charge will be inserted into P layer. Okay, so that much of voltage will be needed to initiate the collector current. Okay, next we will discuss about output characteristics. This is the output characteristics. It is between output voltage versus output current, and output voltage, collector emitter voltage versus collector current. Okay, like here the gate voltage is 0, IC will be minimum. If gate voltage is 0, IC will be minimum. If we increase VGE, the current will flow. So here you can see different gate voltage for different gate voltage. Actually here the gate voltage is keeping constant. We are keeping constant. Similarly, like power MOSFET, you can see that the gate voltage is constant. Keeping gate voltage at not constant, keeping gate voltage at a fixed value, we can get this kinds of curve. Here this region is known as cutoff region. This is the saturation region. This is active region. Okay. Here current is minimum due to minority charge carriers. This is the initially it will increase with VCE, then it will come to a saturation level, then after certain time it will increase. It will increase in a very high manner. Okay. Similarly, with different voltage level of gate, that is VG3, here VG3 is greater than VG2, that is with the amount of voltage increment, the collector current will also increase. Okay. So these are actually very simple, but only the thing is I should discuss
previous one.
Yes, this is not SCI. This is the curve of Dirac. What we have seen that in this case, it is similarly when the, you can see in this picture, the N1, this is the actual picture of Dirac. Okay, N1 layer is inserted into the P1 layer, and here also N3 layer is inserted into P2 layer. Now with the application of biasing, that is with the application of voltage source, according to terminal, the layers will be activated. Suppose the positive terminal is connected to P1, sorry, MT1. Okay, so with that positive terminal, P1 layer will be activated, and suppose the negative terminal is connected with MT2 portion. So what will happen? N3, with the negative terminal, N3 layer will be activated. Now you can see in this picture, this is the similar picture like thyristor or SCR.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
SCR will it will act like a SCR. So initially what will happen? Initially, with the low amount of voltage, P1 and N2 junction will be forward biased, and P2 and N3 junction will be forward biased. But in between the middle junction, that is the N2 P2 junction, will be reverse biased initially. But so in this portion, or in this uh, time, what will happen? The current will not conduct. Current will not conduct, and only the small amount of leakage current may pass, like SCR. So it will block the current initially. So in this curve also we are showing this thing, that is initially from 0 to certain amount of voltage it will block the current. Then, and when a certain amount of voltage is applied, that reverse bias junction will be broken, and with that breakage the total current will flow from MT1 to MT2, and it will instantly come to conduction state like SCR. So this uh, positive portion
Yes, ma'am.
curve is similarly like SCR, and the same thing will also happen in the negative portion also, because diac can conduct in the both polarity. Okay, so
Okay.
this is the characteristic curves of SCR, sorry, diac.
Dia. It is similar to SCR.
Similar to it will similarly work like SCR.
Okay.
Okay, so up to this, anything, any question, anybody?
Please upload the notes, ma'am. We have to go through it once.
Yes, I will upload it. Next we will study triac. Okay, triac full form is triode for alternating current. This triode, TRI, for alternating A and current C, this create the word triac, TRIAC. Okay, so what is triode? Triode is actually the advanced version of diode. Diode, when starts conducting, when diode is what, when it will conduct when it is forward biased, but triode can conduct in the reverse bias also. So unlike SCR, triac can trigger in both direction. So this is the symbol of triac. MT1, MT2 similarly like diac, and one extra terminal is there, that is gate terminal. Triac can be considered as two back-to-back SCRs connected, and this is the symbol of triac, and that can be similarly considered like this. Okay. So in this case, if MT1 terminal is positive with respect to MT2, then T1 is triggered and become forward biased, and T2 is in reverse bias. But when MT2 is positive with respect to MT1, the T2 will be forward biased. T2 becomes forward bias. In both the cases, it will show the ACR characteristics provided that the gate control is there when MT1 is positive with respect to MT2 at this time, and you can see the characteristics are same like diac, but the thing is with the application of gate signal, the conduction can be started earlier.
Ma'am, is it used as a control element, ma'am?
Yes, it is used for control element. As we increase the gate current, triggering will be there earlier. Okay. And application of triac is lamp control, chopper, and speed control of fans, and AC phase control. Okay. So